Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So, the Euro British Pound structure we looked at yesterday played out very nicely. Very profitable trade that, but we'll get to that just now. Starting off with Euro USD, so still sort of trying to defend this area here, and with the markets falling, with the negative news that's come out. Yeah, I would have expected this to continue to the downside, but it hasn't. So we are battling with this area now. You're probably going to have to go out to a weekly. You can see nothing there. You're going to have to go right all the way back here to, there it is there. When was that? 2020. Yeah, so nothing else except in 2020 we sort of found this area, and we've been bouncing with it pretty much all week. So I'm not 100% sure, whether we're going to bounce off this again for a move to the upside, or if we are going to be looking for a break and a retest of this. So that's kind of where we are. We're kind of in no man's land right now. So I'm a bit reluctant to be short or long right now. And if you look at this on the hourly, you can see yesterday was complete confusion. If I look at these levels to the left, that was kind of nothing. If I move that up to the next level, okay, there was your opportunity. But I think it's probably worthwhile just leaving those levels in and saying, any longs, I'm going to need to build a base above 106.689, and being Friday, just stay out of this because I don't anticipate a massive move on the weekly at the moment. So that's kind of where I am, sitting on my hands. Unless we get some kind of a break up here, it may build a base to target this gap up here. But for now, I think more of the same, just sideways price action going nowhere. Moving across to US dollar Japanese yen, this one also, we had a break and looked like there was a decent retest coming. There was our levels from yesterday, but look what we did, we broke below it. So didn't really find support where we were expecting to find support. So we were looking, we did the video, it opened up here, so we were looking for a retest of this at 148, 166. That didn't happen. Next, the level we're looking for was a retest of 147, 960. That didn't happen. Then we got a rejection of it, but then this morning we're already back up above it. So these big ups, big downs the last 2 days, I'm not interested. I'll stay away from this until we settle down. I want more structured and measured price action like this here. Okay, so dollar for me is a no-go. Moving across the pound, British pound, Japanese yen. So we were looking for a break of this area. We did get it for a fairly decent move to the downside. But if we just get down to the hour, you're going to see a similar kind of a situation here. So there was a gap up here, and we were looking for, when we opened, it was here, and we were looking for a rejection of one of these areas. And you probably would have found it here on the 15 minutes if you actually looked for it. So let's just move this one here down onto this tail. See this pin bar tail here. Look left. There's your structure. So break below either this one or this was pre-market, wasn't it? Yeah, that was pre-market, and then this was 7, 8. This was just before the market opened, 15 minutes before the market opened, and this one was market open. So at the market open, look there, tweezer top, off structure, stop is there, so your entry is there, stop is up here, so it's call it a 200-point stop loss, and you would have got a fairly decent 1,000-point move to the downside here. Okay, so this gap is closed. I suspect what we're looking for at the moment is some structure, and unfortunately I don't think there is anything close by. Nope, nothing close by. So think the wise thing to do is stay away from this. I don't think, so you just want to get on the 15-minute just to double check that. Yeah, there's your closest bit of structure. I don't see anything happening here. But I would want a rejection higher up, but that would concern me because it would be above the 150 EMA. So I think I'll sit on the sides for that one as well. Euro British pound, we've had a fairly strong move to the upside. I suspect we need to pay attention to structure now. These are the two areas that I think we need to be paying attention to. This could be a big rejection. It's a massive bullish bearish bar. It's like a 50-50 bar. You can see it's a massive pin bar there, but nevertheless, so just running on what we said yesterday. Remember this pin bar formed yesterday, and I said to you, well, there's already structure forming. We've got a pin bar. It is off a level. That level was down here. There it is there. And if you just drop down to the 15-minute, so there's our pin bar. But if I just keep moving my levels up, there's another swing low there. You can see the base that was formed here. So this is definitely a fairly decent opportunity pre-market there. It was just taking a while to get going, but it's a 100-point stop loss, and the measured move, which was up in this area here, was a 4-to-1 trade basically, which played out very, very nicely. So for me today, we could just use this area of support here, 086694 for a continuation up. This rejection bar here just worries me. Obviously there's something ahead of us, and if we just go left, okay, so it was a previous high that we targeted, and there's quite a bit of structure there. So probably another move into that zone. Nothing dangerous yet on the 8-hour, but I'd want to pull back, or London breakout strategy. So if wait for the first 8 1-hour bars, use that as your range. If you start breaking to the upside on the 15-minute, take the trade, stop below the bottom of the range, and then you're going to be targeting this zone again. Around 86,957 or 86,950 or even 86,900 if you just look at your target being a little bit lower than that level there. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.